Hi folks, I'm Brent. This is episode 13 of my 18 marketing tips in 18 days series, where I choose a piece of marketing knowledge that's perhaps not so well known, but has a hugely powerful effect on consumer behavior. So this week's topic is price decoys. Price decoys are used to get consumers to buy a more expensive option or to upsell them. So have a look at this example here of coffee machines. We've got two models of coffee machines in scenario A. We've got one coffee machine that's worth $99 and the other coffee machine is worth $139. How do we get them to buy coffee machine B? Well, look at scenario B here, where we've got coffee machine A, $99, coffee machine B, $139, and coffee machine C, $189. That's the decoy. What we tend to find is that by including coffee machine C, more people consider the middle option, which was previously the most expensive option, and now it's just a middle option. Now this on its own works, but we can add fuel to this to emphasize its effect by adding product attributes. This is especially useful when you've got competitor products. You can position your product in line with competitor offerings based on what attributes you're offering. So we've got the same deal. We've got scenario A where we've got coffee machine A, $99, coffee machine B, $139. We've got attributes here. Coffee machine A has no timer and you have to clean it yourself with a brush. Coffee machine B, you've got no timer, but it's got auto clean feature, hence the higher price. Scenario B, however, you've got coffee machine A, same deal, coffee machine B, same deal, but we've added a decoy, coffee machine C, which has no timer and brush clean. In other words, you have to clean it yourself with a brush, and that's $189. That's more expensive than all the other options. That really emphasizes the value of option B. And in this situation, you'll get everybody choosing option B, which is the one that you want them to choose. So the lesson is, if you want your customers to choose a certain option, make sure you include a price decoy. That's the best way to get them to choose. Well, that's today's tip. Thanks for watching. I'm Brent. See you next time.